Alright, I pulled the crank bolt. It's a regular left-hand thread. The crank is stuck firmly onto the shaft. So I've got a bicycle crank puller. This is a Park Tool CCP-44. And the idea is there's an internal thread here, and this bushing threads onto that, and then this barrel threads into the bushing, and there's a little washer that goes on the end. And what I'm going to try to do is push against the end of the crank bolt, and so put that in a little bit, not tight, in fact quite loose, to leave some room to pull this free, but still enough threads to engage so that I don't, shear them off when I, so that the threads are strong enough to not be sheared off when I push down with the crank puller. So I've got this bushing comes off. Alright, so that needs to go on that way. So this goes in here like that. So the bushing has to go in first because it can't go all the way through the housing. Oh, okay, we're not far enough. Alright, I'm kind of stuck. Okay, so the problem is this is flush with that. There's a ridge inside there that makes it so it can't go back any further. And I can't get this part threaded without, with that grommet in. So what I'm going to do is this little stud, I'm just going to try using that without the washer or the grommet. So this thread's in, and we'll come back in a minute.